Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Air Foundation School System. This is class 10th and this is your physics lecture. In previous lecture we discussed about wave and different types of wave. We define wave and we also define wave motion. Wave is actually a disturbance in a medium which transfers energy from one part of a medium to another part of the medium. So waves transfer energy without transfer of medium. Here we give you an example of wave as an energy carrier. For example, we consider a string attached with the wall. From one side it is fixed here. When we shake the string up and down, we provide our muscular energy to the string. So the particles of this string disturbs and a wave appears in the particle. So this disturbance appears in the form in the string. So waves, the particles of the medium transfer the muscular energy provided by our hand to the next group of particles to the adjacent particles and transfer energy to the next adjacent group of particles. So energy transfers from one place of medium to other place in the form of waves. Actually this energy comes from the muscular energy of our hand, appears in the form of wave in the string, and then it is transferred from one part of a string to the another part of the string. So energy carried by a wave depends upon the distance of stretched string from its rest position. Actually it is depend upon the distance of the string from its rest position to the place where it transfers the energy. So the energy carried by wave depends upon the distance of stretched string from its rest position, and it also depends upon the amplitude of the wave. If we shake the string with greater frequency, it means that waves transfer more energy. So waves of greater frequency and amplitude transfer more energy. In this example, we can see that waves transfers energy without the transfer of matter. So we conclude that waves are energy carriers which transfers energy without transfer of. Example, an activity is given in your book. You can also read this activity and you can understand better. Next, we move our next topic that is important, that is very important, that is the relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength, and it is also called as wave equation. The relation between the velocity, frequency and wavelength is known as wave equation, and it is very important in waves and oscillation. Actually the wave is a disturbance in a medium with particular velocity. So the velocity of a wave, simply we define the velocity is equals to distance divided by time. So the velocity of wave is also is equals to the distance covered by the wave in unit time. So time taken by wave is the time period, and the distance traveled by one time period is equals to the wavelength of the wave, that is represented by the symbol lambda. So v is equals to d divided by t, that is d is the distance and t is the time period. So time period is represented by capital T and d, distance in this case, is the wavelength of the wave. So d is replaced by wavelength lambda. So v is equals to lambda divided by t. Here we have v is equals to lambda multiplied by 1 by t. So the frequency of the wave is equals to the reciprocal of the time period, that is f is equals to 1 divided by t. So v is equals to f lambda. This is wave equation and this is satisfied by all types of waves. Now we move to our next topic, that is ripple tank. Actually the ripple tank is a device which is used to produce water waves, and it is also used to study the characteristics of water wave, and it is also used to prove that waves produced on the surface of water also obey the wave phenomenon, that is reflection, refraction and diffraction. So ripple tank is simply defined as it is a device which is used to produce water wave, and it is also used to study the characteristics of wave. Now we move to the construction of ripple tank. Ripple tank is simply consists of a rectangular tray with glass bottom. The rectangular tray with glass bottom is the main construction of ripple tank, and it also consists of a vibrator with wooden log placed on the top of this rectangular tray and an electric bulb which is hung over the plate in order to produce shadow of water waves on the screen or on a paper behind or below the rectangular tray. Now we move towards the working of ripple tank. Rectangular tray is placed half meter above the ground. Rectangular tray is simply placed over a table or over some support above half meter above ground, and when then we fill the rectangular tray of glass with water. When vibrator is an electric oscillating motor with wooden log. The wooden log is touching the surface of the water. The wooden log is touching the surface of the water which is filled in the rectangular tray. When vibrator is set on, the wooden plate starts vibrating. As vibrator on, oscillating motor starts vibrating, and the wooden log attached with the vibrating motor also starts vibrating, since wooden log is touching the surface of the water, so it is vibrating and it produces water waves in the water filled in rectangular tray. An electric bulb is hung above the tray to observe the image of water waves produced in the water below the tray. The crest and trough of the water waves produced in the water appears in the form of dark and bright lines on the paper behind the screen. So this is the production of water waves with the help of ripple tank. This is its construction, and this is the working of the ripple tank. Simply we repeat the working. Rectangular tray is placed half meter above the ground, fill it with water. When vibrator is set on, the vibrator starts vibrating since it is touching the surface of the water, so water waves produced in the water. An electric bulb is hung above the water. When electric bulb is on, the image of the water waves on the screen appear, and the crest and trough of the water waves appear as dark and bright lines on the screen. So this is the working of the ripple tank. In next lecture we will discuss about the characteristics of water waves with the help of ripple tank. If you have any problem regarding this lecture, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you so much.